Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to show you guys how to draw something that lots of people have trouble with, and that is a star. So I'm actually going to start off drawing my star in pencil. So stars are very, very easy. I know lots of people have trouble with them. So this is all you do. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line that goes up. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a nice line that goes up. And I'll make it a little bit darker so you guys can see it. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw that same line, but I want it to go down the other way. So starting here at the top, I'm just going to draw my line going down. So it's like I have a triangle right now without a bottom. Now, an easy way to do this is this. So I want to start right about here, and I want to draw a line that goes straight across my star. I don't want to put it all the way up here. I'm going to make the top really small. I don't want to put it down here, or else I'm going to make the top really big. So go right about a little bit higher than the middle. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight across. Now, when you look at it, it kind of looks like a crazy letter A. So once I have this drawn, what I want to do is I want to connect this line to this line. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down to here. Then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start this line here, and I'm just going to connect it to here. And once I do that, then I actually have my star drawn. Now, the reason I drew it in pencil is because you don't really want to leave your star like this. It doesn't need to have this little kind of pentagon shape in here. So what I do is I'm just going to take my eraser and I'm just going to erase the inside of it like this. And then when you're done, you actually have your star. Now, then there's lots of different ways you can kind of add details to this. So I'm going to switch to my permanent marker now. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace this real quick. Okay, so now that I have my star traced, what I can do is, I can add lots of details to this. So let's say I want to make a shooting star. So what I'm going to do is starting on this, I'm going to start here at the top, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down like this. Then starting right here, I'm going to curve this line all the way down to here. Then I'm just going to add a few more lines in here. So I'm going to add one right here that just curves to the bottom. Then I'll put another one right here at the point that curves down here. And then starting right up here, I'll draw one that just kind of curves down. Then you can get creative in here and you can add little things if you want to put a face on your star. So if I'm going to put a face, I might add, big circle here. And then another big circle over here. Put a couple small circles in there and then color it in. Same thing on this side. And then you can always give it a little smiley face mouth. Make the mouth open. And there you go. There is your quick, easy drawing of a little shooting star. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.